everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you
our May mystery subscription.
If you have not signed up for our subscription before for our mystery kit, we have 3 different options, different kit options, and each month you are given a kit that's a complete mystery that you can use in your planner or journal. Spots are open today for next month's, so if you want to sign up or look at more details on that, you can look in the description below. So for the mystery subscription, we have 3 different options. We have the decorative option, the standard option, and then the Hobonichi Cousin weekly / journal option. So first, I'm going to show you the standard kit, and then I will flip through the other 2 options. So here is the standard kit. We have the bonus item and then the kit. So let's look at the bonus item first. The bonus page is on washi sticker paper, and the foil is silver, and as you can see, it's lemon / sunflower themed. We have some dividers that have lemon slices on it. We have some flowers, some like daisies, and we have a couple of the watercolor swatches. And then here's the first page of the standard kit. We have a ton of soft colors on here. It's really dreamy, light. We have like a yellow, white, green, and the silver foil just looks so perfect with the colors. And so we have like an outdoor scene here. We have a bunch of flowers, daisies, and here it says squeeze the day because lemons. Bundle of flowers. We have a lemonade stand. That's really cute. I always wanted to do one of those when I was younger, but I never did. But I think they're so cute and fun. And here's like a lemon pie down here, a picnic scene. Have like a nice hat, the flowers in the background, and I love the foiled butterflies on here too. And here's a jar full of daisies, and then we have some lemons in there too. Then we have the Monday through Sunday, and then the washi strips. So again, we have those flowers and the leaves. Then our flags are 3 bow checklist boxes and some layering pieces. Then we have our scallop dividers, bow dividers, half scallop circles, and then some thinner washi strips below. I love the lemon with the green, how that looks in contrast with one another. The vibes are very springy. I love it. Springy, summerishy. And here we have the functional page with the foil on it. Again, we have those daisies, habit trackers in the middle. And then we have a couple of other full boxes. We have like a close-up outdoor picnic scene with the lemonade, the pie, and then I love this letter here with the daisies in it and the florals and the greenery. And then over here we have some corner pieces and dots, kind of hard to see. And then our Monday through Sunday box, heart, date, dots, and some layering foil pieces and weekend script. Then we have our to-do today. We have like the headers and glitter headers. Then we have our fashion girl boxes. I love the flower crown there. I love that. And she has like a little fan right there. Lemonade. Then our icons and script. And the last page is our deco page. Again, I love seeing the outfits for the girls on this sheet. I love seeing what Dawn designed. some like flowy skirts and sundresses for the spring slash summer. I love this bow here. I love that pattern. Bunch of just lemony goodness and daisies. So this is the standard kit for this month's mystery. And this artwork is exclusive to the mystery kit. If you don't want to miss out on one of our designs that we have, make sure to sign up for our mystery kit for next month. Now I'm going to show you the other two layouts. Next, I'm going to show you the Hobonichi Cousin / Journal kit for May. So again, we have that same bonus add-on. And then for this, the boxes are not as wide, so they're smaller. We have the same artwork and such that you saw on the standard kit and the same foil. Then we have the Monday through Sunday again, as well as the washi, which is the same. This page is different. We have torn edge pieces over here. We have some smaller half scallop circle stickers and dividers, and then headers, glitter headers right here, and then functional boxes. Then we have the heart date dots, weekend script, which is again not as wide for this kit type. And then layering pieces, functional foil pieces over here. We have like a banner, some arrows, a stamp. Kind of looks like sticky note pieces. And then we have, again, that same, what we saw earlier, except for the boxes are smaller. The script and such is smaller, so it fits better. And we have the deco page, and this is different because this page has larger deco on it, which lends itself towards journaling. We have some lemon tea, some hanging lemons. I love that bow, the yellow bow. Bundle of flowers. And then the last page is the deco page that we saw from earlier. So this kit is the journal kit / Hobonichi Cousin weekly kit. So if you have like a smaller planner, a Hobonichi Cousin planner, or if you like this style more of the stickers, I recommend getting the journal kit. Lastly, I'm going to show you the decorative kit. Okay, so again, like last time, we have the bonus add-on item. And then this is on this kit, the decorative kit is on washi sticker paper. So the first page, we have some box swatches, and the cut is hugging the actual sticker, so it's not a straight edge. The lemonade stand, the squeeze the day scene, some of the elements that we saw from earlier. Next, we have another box swatch page. So this is a bigger swatch of that picnic scene, and then the fashion girls, and then like a little sticky note layering piece below on here. Then the borders. So we have the lemon pie and the bow, and then up here we have like one of those KitchenAid mixers. The bottom is straight edge, the top is hugging the artwork. Then we have the first decorative page, which is the fashion girls on there, and some deco as well too. I really like this outfit. Is it Gingham? Is that what it's called? Gingham? I really love this checkered outfit here. Then we have the second decorative page, which is more of like the bows, the jars, the lemons, the daisies that are on here. Then the third decorative page, we have some corner torn page pieces. I really love that. The top and the bottom. And then some bigger deco, like we have a divider that you could use here, or you could just have it hanging off the side as like a border. And we have like some bows over here, which is really fun. And yeah. Next we have the script and date dots. So we have 2 weeks of Monday through Sundays and 2 months of numbers. And the last page is the terrible washi page. This has that checkered green background, and then we have some greenery with the daisies and the lemons, and in the foil we have some bows and lemon slices, lemon wedges. So this is the decorative add-on. I would recommend this if you like your stickers not to look as like uniformed as our like straight edge boxes that we have with our other 2 kits. I recommend this if you like the feel and the look of the washi sticker paper. So those are our 3 kit options for the mystery kit, and this was for the May mystery kit. Spots are open for next month's mystery kit, so make sure to check that out in the description below. I will be showing my spreads and stuff like that with these on Instagram and YouTube Shorts, so make sure to keep your eyes peeled for that. Let me know what you think of our mystery kit for May in the comment section below, and I hope you all have a fabulous rest of your month as always. Bye.